Hello YouTubers. Thought I'd give a quick garden update. Just went through a frost a couple nights ago. I was blessed enough not to have anything affected at all, so that was really nice. Strawberries are looking really good. The birds have been loving them. I'd say in the last 2 to 3 days, I probably had about 30 strawberries come up and turn nice and bright red and beautiful. And just as quick as the next morning comes where I come out to pick them, 2 to 3 frosts of them have been eaten off by the birds. So I'm getting some bird netting in. I've already ordered it. Everything else is looking pretty good. And the strawberries are looking good until them birds coming through. Here goes my mustard spinach in between the garlic. I'm glad I planted this garlic right here, which will probably be ready August, September. The reason in the garden that I did last fall, I dug up today and I didn't do well, but I was doing it for the first time, and before I realized the proper way to do it, I was pulling some pieces up instead of using the pitchfork to get them out. So I'm pretty sure I got some garlic cloves stuck in the ground. So hopefully they'll come up next year. Snow peas and sweet peas are doing extremely well. Probably need to get over here and start doing some picking. Basil, peppers, everything's doing pretty good. Some of my onions, some of my candy onions that I put in probably around February. No, these are the ones I overwintered actually right here in this bed. A couple in the back are from February. But most of the February ones are on different beds. Potatoes coming up quite nicely. Onions starting to get a little size to them. Looking forward to that. Celery looking quite nice. Carrots are looking lovely. Okay. Learned a couple lessons in this bed. Let's talk about the garlic. As you can see, it's no longer there. This is the garlic I harvest today. This is the regular garlic. I have to put on the bottom of the display the name of it. I forgot. But on the end right there, that big giant monster is my elephant garlic. One pretty big, and one right next to it not as big, but still a pretty nice size. I have 2 more in the ground, and I've learned that I can give them another 4 weeks, and they'll be a lot bigger. So that's what I'll do. This onion is looking pretty good. Look at that romaine lettuce looking extremely well. Peppers are starting to come on. For some reason, I cannot get spinach to do well in this bed. I'll have to take it on out. Put something in there that will grow. The kale's looking extremely good here. Again, this Swiss chard went to seed. That's nice. I'll be able to harvest some seeds from it this year. Some more romaine. Some ball lettuce. And my freckle lettuce. Look at the beautiful colors in there. Followed by my Swiss chard. Got the beets over here. They're up under this squash bin. I'm actually getting a squash in there. It's the ones that are shaped like little saucers. They're called sunbuds. I've been checking daily for the beetle to make sure that they don't come in here and take my crop away from me. Here's my quinoa. Starting to develop quite nicely. Some more amaranth. Got some peas in the back. In the front I got some more spinach, which works its way over to Swiss chard. Cucumbers are starting to get some more developed leaves. As you can look, the herbs are doing awesome. Peaches are definitely getting nice size to them. I can't wait till I get some of these potatoes. The bush beans look like they're ready to start bushing up in some cases, quicker than others. Cucumbers. More shallots. Instead of doing the storage onions, I think I'll do shallots because I think they taste a little better than storage onions. So I'll do sweet onions and I'll do shallots. Can't wait till this Malabar spinach starts to work its way up the bar. It's been doubled in size over the last couple of weeks. Broccoli plant kind of hid in there. Hopefully when them blueberries start to get some leaves on them, that'll help to keep me getting broccoli a little longer in the season, because all other broccoli I put out with this crazy weather has bolted just about. But not this bad boy being stuck in here. It's forming a nice little tight head. Hope I'll be a little lucky. And this is a beautiful kale plant. Tomatoes are looking good. I planted these tomatoes anywhere from 8 inches to a foot down. Very proud of myself. First year I'm doing them all from seeds and they look pretty good. A lot better variety this time. I think I got about 11 different tomato plants. Celery's coming along up here and also in the front bed. Let's take a quick look at the corn. Got some broccoli, but no, I mean more carrots breaking through right between the pepper plants. This over here is looking good. I gotta guess some people say where I started my corn. What I do is I start my corn on the inside, and it normally takes about 4 days to break ground. As soon as it starts to break ground, before the leaves even unfold, I bring them right outside and put them on the porch. And after I put them on the porch, I leave them out there. I add a little water to the bottom, a little extra water in the base, until they start to get 2 leaves, and then I put them right into the ground. It tends to work for me. I don't typically have any kind of stunt in the growth. It just continues to grow when I do it like that. I've been doing that for quite a while. But again, this is the bed with the 64 corns in the 4x4. So far, so good. We'll see if I'll be saying that in about a month from now. We'll really see if I'm saying that around July the 4th. Well, guess I can take a quick look at this other peach tree over here. This is the patio peach tree. I did a lot of trimming on this. But if you look in there, this bad boy is loaded with little peaches. And these peaches are better for making pies, peach pies, than just eating the way they are fresh. Well, thank you, YouTubers, for taking the time to take a peek at the garden. I hope that you're having as much fun as I am, because I'm having a ball. This is something that I enjoy doing. Even though this garlic didn't turn out the way I was hoping, I am extremely, extremely happy and satisfied with it, because I put it into the ground and I got more out than what I put in. Thank you, God bless, and happy gardening.